Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Golden Acorn in Gag Easy method. Start by inspecting the prop and confirming the release point works smoothly, then practice the timing without an audience. Use a soft toss to learn trajectory and rehearse the verbal cue you will use. Gradually add the full physical routine, keeping gestures natural and exaggerated enough for visibility. Always prioritize safety for performers and audience, while keeping the gag playful and surprising. Stage setup matters a lot for successful execution, so arrange your space before performing. Mark your foot placement and sight lines with tape, and adjust lighting to avoid unwanted reflections on the acorn. Practice draws and releases until muscle memory feels natural, and time the sound or vocal cue to coincide with the reveal. Keep movements economical so the audience focuses on the surprise rather than the setup. When performing, focus on rhythm and misdirection to sell the gag convincingly. Use eye contact and a casual patter to guide audience attention away from the concealed acorn. Maintain consistent timing between concealment and reveal, and choose a reveal angle that maximizes visibility. Practice in front of a mirror or record to spot tells, and adjust your facial expressions to heighten comedic impact while keeping the routine smooth and controlled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.